Hello guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make money on Jumia Pay, jumiapay.com. So please don't forget to just click on subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for me to be. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and family. Don't go without, please. So let's go to the main business of today. So I'm going to show you how to make money on Jumia Pay. So Jumia Pay is a well-known website and application that you can, let's say, it's an app or website that you can buy something on it and make cash back on your goods. Most especially something I want you to focus on for today is, okay, don't worry, you can, if you don't have the Jumia Pay app, you can just go to your Play Store on your Android phone, or go to your Apple Store on your iPhone. So let me show you how to download it from Play Store. So because you already know how I already give details on my videos how to do it from the start to the end. So that's why you guys like me, I know. So let me show you how to download it from Play Store. So this is my Play Store. So I'll on your data or connect your Wi-Fi to download this Jumia Pay. So this is my Play Store. So click on search button, then search Jumia Pay on Play Store, Jumia Pay app, then search for it, allow it to load. So this is the Jumia Pay app. I've already downloaded this on my phone, so that's why it appears like this. You can see that open in front of the app. If I don't have it on my phone, it will see that it will just appear installed instead of open. So because I have it on my phone already, that's why it shows like this. So you can search it like this on your phone, then download it and install it on your phone. So that's it. Then register on it with your Gmail account. So after you register for it, so then it will take you to your Jumia Pay dashboard. So let me just log into my own Jumia app on my phone. So this is my Jumia Pay app. So let me launch my Jumia Pay app. It's loading, so let's keep waiting for it to load. So you can see it is loading. Let's load. This network is somehow poor. The network is poor over here. The network is very poor over here. Was strong. What is strong? I think the app is not responding on my phone. Let me play it and restart the app. Let me restart the app. So it's coming up, it's coming up. So this is my Jumia Pay dashboard. You can see, as you can see, this is it. So you also have to download it on in your Play Store or Apple Store, then register on it, then launch your app. It will take you that, it will take you straight to your dashboard. Sorry, it will take you straight away to your dashboard. So this is my own dashboard. You can see I have zero naira on my credit. It's because I've already spent it. I've already used it to recharge my phone, to recharge my line. So that's why I have zero. Very soon I'll still have more money on it when I get to business. So so you can see here airtime, data, electricity, TV, internet. You can sub your internet. You can subscribe your TV. You can pay for electricity, buy data, buy airtime on Jumia Pay. You can get your loan on here, pay for bus book tickets, pay for your flight ticket, betting. I don't like betting at all. I don't bet, so I don't want to talk anything about bets. I don't even like it. So you can see the next thing here is government or something else. So this they used to give you, they used to give their customers voucher codes that the customer used to get their cash back. So you can see here, main casual. I ordered these bags today. This bag is sold for 6,299 naira, but I bought it for 1,950 naira today. So they have many cheaper things in their website that you can buy. So although this is not where we are coming, but let's go straight to the points. How you can make money on Jumia Pay app. So this is exactly where we are looking at. Where is it? Okay, here click on invite a friend here on here. So you can see here, share Jumia Pay and you'll get 500 naira. When your friend spends 500 naira or more, your friends also get 20% cashback off their first purchases. Purchase. So here you have to, you can view your referral, or you can invite your friends. So if you click on here, just share your referral link out to make your 500 naira. You will earn 500 naira on each person you invite on Jumia app. Once they register, and you get your 500 naira referral bonus. This at times, most especially when they are doing Black Friday or more or something like that, the referral bonus is, they usually give 1,000 naira for each referral. But when they are not doing anything, like ordinary days like that, they give 500 naira for referral bonus. But if they are doing something like those, now those like Black Fridays, they give 1,000 naira as referral bonus. So that means you are going to earn 1,000 naira from each referral, from one person you refer to Jumia. So that's it. You can, this is a proof. I have my proofs here. Let me show you my history. So this is you can see here, this is my history. You can see, this is not even the main this is not my main account. On my main account, if I show you my history on my main account, you will see histories like plenty histories there that, and I've never found the account from my bank or anywhere. Or no. All money I spent on the Jumia app is from the referral bonus. All everything I spend, I used to spend on bonus. I refer people to make money, make more money. This account, I opened this account last week. It is not even up to a week that I opened this account, so you can see the transaction. I've already charged my Airtel line here, 500 naira, and now mobile 56 naira, 15 naira, 15 naira, 400. You can see this one 400 naira, 200 naira, 200 naira. You can see the last recharge I did was 500 naira. If I show you my main accounts for this Jumia Pay app, many transactions I made there is 1000 naira, most especially 1000 naira, 500 naira the lowest. So I make a lot of money on this Jumia Pay app just by referring people. So that's how I make money on this Jumia Pay app, and it is legit. You are going to it as an immediate. You are going to get the money immediately. If you have even 100 naira, you can. If 100 naira is even much, you can. If you have 20 naira, 10 naira on your Jumia Pay app, immediately you can withdraw it. You can use it to buy to other thing, or if you see something, if you see any good of 10 naira on Jumia, you can use it to order it. Or if you want to buy a charge card, you can. Mostly I use it to recharge my line. So that's how I make money on Jumia. So if you buy anything, you can get. If you buy anything, they sell most of their things in lesser price than other stores out there. So if you buy anything out there in any store, any other store, 7,000 naira, you can see exactly that thing. You can see it on Jumia for 1,000 naira or even lower than that. So if you buy anything, they are going to give you cash back. If you recharge your line from Jumia Pay, they are going to give you cash back for it. So if you refer anybody, if you refer any even one person, you are going to make your money. The least of 500 naira, at times 1,000 naira for a referral bonus. So that's how I make money on Jumia Pay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to make money. You know I'm good on internet, on making money on internet. You know I'm good about that. So just click on subscribe button, then click on that bell icon to be updated anytime I upload another video like this. You know I'm here for you guys. I'm going to be updating you on how to make money online and more on. So I'm here for you. Just click on subscribe button and then the bell icon. Turn on the notification bell icon to be notified anytime I post another video like this. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.